Good morning, Akshita. In the last class, we have learnt about equivalent rational numbers. Now, in this class, I think software got struck up. Just in this class, we are going to learn about decimal representation of rational numbers. Decimal representation of rational numbers. So, first of all, how many types of decimals do we have? See, types of decimals are the first one, there are three. The first one is terminating decimal. Terminating means stopping. So termination, terminal. So we say no, for railway, it's a railway terminal. That means railway stop. Bus terminal, bus stop. So terminating decimal. Now other thing what do we have is non-terminating. But repeating. I'll give you examples for all this. Next one, again non-terminating, but non-terminating plus, or we can say also non-repeating. These are the three types of decimals you can see in the whole number system. Now, these two types of decimals are called rational numbers, and this kind of decimal is called irrational number, which we will discuss after some time. So, first two are our category. Terminating means, Akshita, what can be our examples? We can have, just for example, I'm writing 0.5, 0.25. They just stop it after 1-2 decimals, right? 0.713. They stop after one number, and it is very easy to convert them into P by Q form. How? So let's take 0.5. How to convert this into P by Q form? You can write it as 5 by 10. That is nothing but 1 by 2. Yes, you got it as P by Q form. If we take 0.713, it's nothing but 713 by 1000. You are able to write it in the P by Q format, right? So this is very easy, this terminating decimal which we are seeing from the childhood onwards. Now the second category is non-terminating, means there is no stoppage for that. Infinite, it will go on, so go on, but it's repeating. The example, 0.111111111 goes on, sir, goes on. But surprising thing is you can write this also in the format of P by Q. That's what we are going to learn right now. Yes, repeating decimals also you can write it in the P by Q form. Very important. For what else examples can be there? 0.3333, so on. This also you can write it in the, sir, there should be proper repetition should be there. Without that, you cannot call it as a rational number. If there is no proper repetition and there is irregularities and still it is going to infinity, it is called an irrational number. So take care of that. So let's learn how to convert. Let's put the how to convert somebody is calling, 1 second. How to convert non-repeating, non-terminating, NRNT means non-repeating, non-terminating decimal into fraction. Let's start with an example. That's how we learn it. There is no proper method. Question to question, we have to understand, use our common sense and do it. Okay, let's do one thing. First, take a decimal x is equal to 0.3333, so on till infinity. You know one thing, generally we don't write like this. This is unofficial way. The proper way is we write 0.3 bar. Whichever number is repeating, on the top of it we put a bar, which shows that that number is going to repeat till infinity. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, oh, just 1 second, I'll write it down. X equal to 0.33333, so on, it goes till infinity. I wanted to multiply this decimal whole thing with a 10. So x will become 10x. This side, since I am multiplying with the 10, the decimal will go 1 point ahead. 3.333333 and so on, right? So now we can easily subtract them. See carefully why I am doing. I'll write that step. See, now you do please subtraction. 10x minus x is 9x. 3 minus 0, 3 point. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's the success. 9x equal to 3. X equal to 3 by 9. That is 1 by 3. Sir, take out your calculator. I will show you right now here. Or do I have any calculator over here? Yeah, there is a calculator. So let's type 1 divided by 3. See, 0.333. That's not stopping over there. Don't think that, you know, at the end of the calculator the calculation got stopped. No, no, no. It's not stopping. Since the calculator has no space, it is not showing. If otherwise it will go on till infinity. But even though it is going on till infinity, you can convert it into a p by q form. Therefore 0.3 bar is a rational number. Clear? Let me once check it whether properly recording or not. Yes, it's properly recording. Therefore 0.3 bar is a rational number. Clear? Now going ahead, let's see more examples. Yeah. Next question. The question is convert 1.3 bar into rational number. Hey, no, it is a rational number. Convert 1.3 bar into p by q form. Sir, 1.3 bar is a rational number. What is the meaning of converting into rational number? There is no meaning for that. So you should convert this decimal into fraction form, that is p by q form. So see carefully, you should take x equal to 1.33333, so on, right? Now I wanted to multiply it with 10x. Then 10x will become 13.3333, so on, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to subtract. So I am going to get 9x is equal to 13 minus 1, 12.0000000, so on. Therefore x equal to 12 by 9, that is 3/4, 334 by 3. Therefore 1.3 bar is nothing but the fractional form 4 by 3. Okay, please note down. I am giving you 1 minute time. Please note down. Okay. Alright. Fine, Akshita, I am going ahead with the next question. Write down. Convert 2.9 bar into P by Q form. 2.9 bar into P by Q form. So first of all, you should take it as x equal to 2.9999999 so on, right? Next, you should multiply with the 10. Sir, why we are multiplying? So that after decimal we have the same numbers, so they will cancel when we subtract. That's our logic. Now subtract both of them. You'll be getting 9x is equal to 29 minus 2, 27. Therefore x equal to 27 by 9. That's nothing but 3. Yes, 2.9 bar, 2, 9 going till infinity is nothing but the number 3, sir. That's nothing but the number 3. So that's something amazing. Yeah, 2.9999999 is nothing but 3 going to infinity. Okay, I think that's clear for you. I am going for the next question. Convert 280. Okay, this might be a little bigger question for you. Let me search out a smaller question. Okay. Chalega, from that question we will take up the thing. Convert 2.31 bar into P by Q form. So you might get a doubt over here. Sir, in all the previous questions it is 2.9 bar, 1.3 bar, the bar is there only for one number. Here why did you put bar for two numbers? So what does that mean is x equal to 2.31 31 31 31 31 31 so on till infinity. This is the meaning of putting bar for 31. Okay, now as usual in the old way, that is if you multiply with the 10, then decimal will shift one point ahead, then 23.13 13 13 13 13. Now if I subtract my decimal part, like in all the questions it is cancelling while subtraction, in that way it is not going to cancel. 1 3 is there, 3 1 is there, it's not going to cancel. Therefore what I am going to do is, I am not going to multiply with the 10, I am going to multiply with 100. 100x equal to 23 point, no 231.31 31 31 31 31 and so on, right? So now you can easily subtract. 100x minus x is 99x, 231 minus 2 is 229.000. That's nothing but 229. Therefore in the P by Q format it is going to be 229 divided by 99. If at all it is divisible anything, you can convert into a simpler fraction. Otherwise this is your answer. Do you want to check whether your answer is correct or not? I will show you. Take up the calculator. Okay. See, I'm unable to move. 229 divided by 99. See, 2.31 31 31 31 31 31 and so on. Yes, so that means our answer is perfect. So it's not that always we have to multiply with the 10. Sometimes you have to make changes, adjustments, so that, sir, our goal is not to just multiply 10 or 100. Our goal is to make the decimal part on for both the numbers same, so that when we subtract it, they are going to become 0. Okay. Now let's see another problem. Convert same to same. I think little bit I'll change. Convert 2.31 bar into P by Q form. Convert 2.31 bar into P by Q form. So how we will do that? X is equal to 2.311111111 so on. If I multiply with the 10, I'm just checking, then what will happen? 23.11111111. Fine, it is okay, but still this 1 is there, 3 is there, they are not getting cancelled. So if my decimal part has to be cancelled, this 10x is there na, this whole thing again I am going to multiply with another 10, then it is going to become 100x equal to 231.11111. So I don't have any use with the original equation that I am erasing. I have to only subtract these two things. So 100x minus 10x is going to be 90x, that is equal to 231 minus 23. So I think it is going to be 208. 231 minus 23, yes, it's 208.0000208. So that is x is equal to 208 divided by 90. Yeah, you can cancel with the two table, 104 and 45. That's it. So 104 by 45 is your answer. If you want, I can just show you. Take up the calculator, bring it over here, and now 104 divided by 45. See, 2.3111111, right? So we are successful in converting 2.31 bar into P by Q form. Now I am going ahead for the next question, that is convert 281.31 bar into P by Q form. Convert 281.31 bar into P by Q form. So first of all, write it. X is equal to 281.3131313131 so on. If I multiply with the 10, no. If I multiply with 100, yes. So 100x is equal to 281. If you multiply with 100, na, 2 places ahead the decimal will go. So it is going to become 281.31313131 and so on, right? So now you can easily subtract this. So 100x minus x is going to be 99x, that is equal to, if you subtract it, you will get 0.00. That's okay. Next, 13 minus 8, 5, 27850, 281, yeah, 31 is 27850. Now x value is 27850 divided by 99. This is our required P by Q format. No fear in solving any question. Only thing is we have to decide intelligently whether to multiply with 10, whether to multiply with 100, whether to multiply with 1000. Yes, there may be a case where you have to multiply with 1000 also. Let's see a small question of that. Convert 108.001 bar into P by Q form. So now how to convert this into P by Q form? Very simple. Take first write x equal to 108.001, 001, 001, 001, so on. Now if you multiply with 10, not sufficient, with 100, not sufficient, with 1000, yes, it is sufficient, then the decimal will again shift back to this place. Then it is going to become 108.001, 001, and so on. Now you can easily subtract. When you subtract, you will be getting 999x is equal to 108,001. So 11 minus 8, 3, 9, 8, 701. So your required P by Q format is 107,893 by 999. So student, you can Akshita, you can easily get confused while doing the subtraction. This is a simpler thing. Please practice. I think you already know how to do subtraction from one number to another number. Please try it. There is no confusion. You just try 1-2 times, you will get to this one. Remaining all things might be clear for you. Okay. So this is how do we convert. We may have to, sometimes we may have to multiply with 10, sometimes with 100, sometimes with 1000, depending upon our requirement. Now think, let me see till where is our recording. Yeah, okay. If I give more problems, might be you will get unnecessary confusion. Let me stop over here, Akshita. In tomorrow's class, I will exactly continue from here itself. Okay, I just wanted to save this one on the name of our, I think on the name of you. Okay, it's getting saved. Fine, Akshita. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next class again.